Okay, before you kicking, you must be exercise first. And other side. Yan. Elbows up. Other side. Level kick. Down. Up. Down. And standing again. Change. Forward stretch. Other side. Riding stance. Push your left. Change foot. Change. Out. Both leg push. Okay. Okay, pwede na. Basic kicks. There are 6 basic kicks. First is stretch kick, front kick, out in out, and 45-degree kick and side kick. So basic kicks, 6 basic kicks. First, for the beginners is how to kick stretch kick. And head level. Okay, stretch kick, don't bend your knees. Okay, straight like that. Stretch kick. Okay, stretch kick. Stretch kick. Okay, and the next is front kick. Front kick, you must bend your knee first, then kick. Like this. And knee, high knee first, then kick. That's a front kick like this. Okay, and 2, front kick, 3, and 4, and 5. Alright. Next is out in kick. For the beginners. Okay, out in kick, and like this, out in. Okay, out in kick. Oh, and drop. Okay, drop. And drop. Okay. Alright, and next is in out kick. Tabi lang kami.
Napagputol po.
In out kick. In out from inside, outside. In out kick. Okay, this is for the beginners. Okay. In out kick. Like that. And go. Okay. And go. Okay. Go. Alright. And the next kick for the basic kick is 45-degree kick. Okay. 45-degree is a tummy level. And you must bend your knee side to the side and kick. Okay, step by step. 1, 2, and then front. And you must be twist your hips. Hips, high knee, and kick. Right? And when you kick, land in front. And 2. And 3. Okay. And 4. And 5. Okay. Ayun pa.